Hi guys, in today's video, I would like to review Seeking Alpha's premium membership and give you my personal viewpoint as to whether it is worth signing up for Seeking Alpha Premium. Just a personal disclaimer, this is a sponsored video and I have been a Seeking Alpha Premium member for the past 2 years. The main aim of this review will be to go through the features provided to Seeking Alpha's premium subscribers so as to help you decide whether it is worth paying for Seeking Alpha Premium membership for your investment research. By the way, for those of you who are new to my channel, hello! I'm Darren and I'm from Singapore, and in this channel, we discuss topics revolving around personal finance, stocks, and option investing. For those of you who are not clear as to what Seeking Alpha actually is, it is an online investment research platform that offers news articles on the market as well as stock reviews and various investment articles that are contributed by a huge number of editors. Before I start the review, I just wish to let you guys know that we do have a special link pinned in the comment section down below, as well as a special QR code located over here to sign up for Seeking Alpha Premium, where you can get access to the premium plan for just $189 for the first year as compared to the usual $239. In addition, you can also try Seeking Alpha Premium free for 7 days via the links as well. So if you found this Seeking Alpha review useful and would like to apply for the trial, then do consider using the links, as it really helps support this channel at no cost to you. But please note, this deal is while stocks last. What attracted me to Seeking Alpha initially was its proprietary Quant ratings. So this page shows Seeking Alpha's strong buy recommendations versus the S&P 500, assuming an initial $10,000 investment. Of course, just a disclaimer, past performance is never an indication of future performance, and this is definitely not investment advice, but personally, the results over the last 12 years was a convincing factor in getting me to sign up then for the premium plan. So Seeking Alpha has 3 subscription types. There is a free basic plan that gives you limited access to some of its content, a premium plan that gives you unlimited access to its premium content, as well as analyst ratings and performance and stock quant ratings and dividend grades, as well as a pro plan that is catered to heavy investors. But as you guys can tell from the video title, in today's video, we will be talking about Seeking Alpha Premium. This is the main page of Seeking Alpha. As a premium subscriber, I'm given access to its ratings and factor grades. Let me show you how it works now. So let's say I would like to do some research on Tesla. What I can do is type in the stock ticker symbol and boom, I will be brought to this page where I'm given everything I need to know about the stock. So at one glance, you can see the rating summary provided by the 3 categories. The first would be Seeking Alpha's analyst, followed by Wall Street analyst ratings, and then its quant ratings. So for instance, for Tesla, I can see that both the quant rating and Seeking Alpha's analyst are recommending a whole rating on the stock with a score of around 3.2 to 3.4, while Wall Street is giving it a buy rating with a score of 3.5. A stock's rating changes when its score changes. For instance, a rating of 1 will give it a strong sell, a rating of 2 gives it a sell, a rating of 3 gives it a hold, a rating of 4 will give it a buy, and a rating of 5 will give it a strong buy. If you would like to know the ratings in more detail, you can click the ratings tab, and there you'll be given more information on each ratings. Clicking the quant rating will give you access to the stock's rating history over the past 1 month, 6 month, 1 year, and 3-year history. However, if we were to click the next 2 tabs, we are given the analyst breakdown on top of the stock's rating history. The next thing that you will find on the stock summary page will be the stock's factor grades, and these are grades given by Seeking Alpha with regards to a stock's valuation, growth, profitability, momentum, and earnings per share revisions, and each factor is then assigned a grade from A+ to F. So taking Tesla for example, we can see that the stock has an F for valuation, which indicates that it is overvalued, and despite it having good grades for growth, profitability, and momentum, we as investors might want to be a little bit more cautious when adding to our positions, as there's always that risk of a pullback. If I would like to know how my stock is faring in relation to its sector and industry, then I would use the quant rating to get a quick glimpse. For instance, we can see that Tesla is categorized under the consumer discretionary sector, and in that category, it is ranked 127 out of 532. And under industry, it is categorized under automobile manufacturers and is ranked 11 out of 31. Another thing that really makes Seeking Alpha stand out to me is its scope of coverage, especially for US stocks. As you know, sometimes before I commit capital into a position, I would like to do my due diligence by reading articles on the stock. With a premium subscription, I'm able to access a wide range of bullish, bearish and neutral views, and this is really useful as you do not want to just hear one viewpoint but various viewpoints before coming to your own conclusion. And in fact, I do also enjoy reading the comments in each article as they allow me to gain access to the thought process of various investors and traders who have both bullish as well as bearish positions in that particular stock as well. For instance, this article over here has 62 comments. I'm also given access to related news articles on the stock I'm researching, and this saves me a lot of time and effort in keeping myself up to date on what is happening in the market and how it might affect my positions. Another cool feature is the bulls versus the bears column. This gives me a very quick summary on bullish and bearish views on the stock I'm researching on. By the way guys, before we move on to the next feature, is this video helping you understand more about Seeking Alpha's premium features? Because if it is, I would really appreciate you hitting the like button, as it really helps a small channel such as this reach more like-minded individuals like yourself. Another cool feature about Seeking Alpha is with regards to its dividend grades. To show you how this works, let us look at the company Coke. Under the Quant rating, you will see a dividend grade column. This feature is obviously only found in stocks that pays dividends, and for stocks such as Tesla, you won't find it since no dividends are paid. The dividend safety grade tells us how safe the stock's dividend is. The dividend growth grade tells us the company's potential to grow its dividends in the future. The dividend yield grade tells us how attractive the stock's dividend yield is as compared to others in its sector. And lastly, the dividend consistency grade measures how consistently the company has been paying a dividend and how consistently the company has raised its dividend. Therefore, these grades are meant to help dividend investors ensure that dividend income is not only safe but has that potential to increase over time. Premium subscribers are also given access to its stock rating screener tab. This screener allows us to find top rated stocks with just one click, and you can find the stock screener tab under the find and compare category. Under Seeking Alpha stock screener, we can create our own screener from scratch or use one of Seeking Alpha's preset screeners where we can screen for all stocks in the Quant universe ranked by Quant score, top rated stock, top Quant dividend stock, high dividend yield stock, top dividend stock, top growth stock, top value stock, and the list goes on and on. I personally find this so useful in my stock picking as I can easily find stocks to either invest or buy options on super fast. Let's say today I would like to find stocks with high dividend yields to build a dividend portfolio. I can easily click this preset which screens for stocks yielding above 6% with a Quant rating of either a strong buy or a buy and invest in it. The possibilities are endless. Anyway, these are the features that I normally use. As a premium subscriber, I'm also given access to things like the upgrade and downgrade tab, which provides us with newly emerging opportunities as well as a wide range of analysis on topics like bonds, commodities, cryptos, etc. So on your ride home from school or work, besides scrolling through Facebook or Instagram, you can read up on topics that interest you so that you can level up your investment knowledge. Of course, now that I've covered what to expect as a premium subscriber to Seeking Alpha, let's first talk about the cons of getting the premium membership. I personally feel that if you're someone with a very small portfolio, then a premium subscription might not be of much use to you. This is because membership costs $239 a year, hence paying for the membership might erode into the profits of your investment portfolio. And for people with a small portfolio, then perhaps the free plan offered by Seeking Alpha will be more than enough for you to get started into investing. Another thing to note is that with so much data being offered by Seeking Alpha Premium, one can be easily overwhelmed, and there's also the chance that we might get analysis paralysis. But is that really a con? I for one really enjoy the various viewpoints as it shows me both sides of the story, and this prevents me from being overly bullish or bearish in a position. However, if you're someone who really appreciates high quality content or condensed in one website, then I really think $239 a year is really a small price to pay. And if you were to use my link in the pinned comment or via the QR code over here, you will not only get a free 1-week trial to test out Seeking Alpha's features, but you also get it at a very special rate of $189 for the first year. And if you're not happy with the subscription, you can always cancel it before the 1 week runs out. Anyway, this is the end of my review. I sincerely hope that it was of benefit to you. In my next video, I'll be going through another screener that I personally use to find entry as well as exit signals for my investment. This screener is known as Market Club, and I use it in conjunction with Seeking Alpha to time the entry and exit of my positions. If you are keen, then do check that video over here, and as always, do subscribe to my channel for more investment and personal finance related content. See you!